4:38 a.m. Before we hop on the charts, we gotta go hit the gym. Early morning session, bicep day. 4:45 a.m. We're gonna walk first. Back from the gym, 5:35 a.m. The shower, drink a protein shake, and then I'm gonna hop on the charts for the Discord. All showered up, we got a nice protein drink going on. Now we're on the Discord chats and the charts as well, talking to the gang, seeing what's good with them. Said good morning in both chats. So guys, if you guys are not in the free Discord, go on my website, click the link in my bio, and join that free server, guys. So I appreciate everybody that's already joining. We have over 6 members now, so it's finally loading up, and I appreciate you guys. So let me show you guys what I'm watching today, but before we get into that, let's show you guys how the TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram Reels went, and show you guys my nutrition. Our first breakfast is 485 calories for the day. We'll have 1,900 calories to eat. 38 grams of protein so far, and we still have a whole day ahead of us. Barely 5:57 a.m., so before 6 a.m., 30 minutes before the market opens. Show you guys how the TikToks went, man. So I appreciate you guys all following. They actually did pretty good. Over 200 on all of them this time. One of them has 300, and the likes and comments to ratio is pretty decent. Some people have been commenting, asking me, what's the volume indicator? You can't really find the volume indicator unless you download the script. I don't have the script no more. So if you want that volume indicator where it shows you the difference between buyers versus sellers, it's on TradingView free, but no longer on Thinkorswim. But so TikTok's doing pretty good. Got a couple followers, almost at 4,000, just 50 away, guys. Come on. And then Instagram last night did also pretty well as well. We're at 221 followers, so I appreciate you guys following. But now they're all over 100. Some of them are over 200 views as well, so they're doing really well. And I started on this video right here, then I just kept going up. So you guys can see I have a whole bunch of videos, and I actually have a lot more to post as well today. So guys, follow my Instagram because I do drop softs on there all the time. I literally have an educational tab on my Discord, and I show you guys exactly what's going on as far as how to use technical analysis. Now YouTube, I appreciate you guys following my YouTube. We're at 178. So that's really good, guys. When I first opened the vlog yesterday morning, it was at like 162 or 160, something like that. But the videos are doing really well. One of them blew up last night, 415 views. The vlog has okay numbers, but I know you guys are watching now. I'm going to see the watch time on there, see how it's doing. Even another one over 400 views. So that's what's up, guys. Some of them are blowing up, a couple of them missed. But so far, we're going to keep going, guys. We're going to keep on going. So today on the agenda, we have the chart up, see what's going on with the Discord. Maybe we might go live on TikTok today. We'll see what's going on. But at 10 a.m., we have to go down to our mom's mechanic shop, help her scan some documents, as well as she's gonna do a content creation day. I'll show you guys what that looks like on her channel as well. She's gonna have somebody with a lot of followers come down and do another interview and just content create for them as well, post a whole bunch of video clips and edits for them. So I'm gonna be part of those videos as well. So we'll see if we can get this vlog going out today. If not, you guys will see it tomorrow, but I will work on it after I get in my first trade. So I'm just gonna take one single trade today, load the boat up, catch a real good trade. I'll show you guys as well. That NVDA trade that we took yesterday was sauce. Today, we need to catch another trade like that. And I'll show you guys what we're looking at for today, because NVIDIA also looks good again. Post NVIDIA in my trade ideas tab on both Discords. Same picture, same format as far as what I'm looking at, except the other free Discord actually has better words. I have it a lot more bullet points. But I said NVIDIA is holding this zone. I said iron calls on a hold or a break and retest below. Guys, look at NVIDIA now. It super held that zone. What I'm looking for now is a reject on this specific resistance level. If it doesn't reject, then I won't take calls above. I like the idea of taking puts below. Nice little reject back down to the downside. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. I'm gonna try to take puts on NVIDIA at this general area. It's climbing a little bit, which is good. We needed to climb to this resistance, and I'm entering shorts. Single night, I do write in my little journal, seeing what I'm looking at for tomorrow, as you guys can see. And today I'm watching NVIDIA, Apple, and SPY. That's all I'm watching today. Apple was gonna hold this zone right here, but it's not holding at all. It's actually breaking below. So we might see some breakdown on Apple today, but I don't plan on shorting that one. I was trying to take some calls on a hold above that one. It could easily bounce here on this most recent high, so I won't touch that one at all. But NVIDIA's on my high watch list for sure. SPY's doing something pretty interesting here. I even said last night, when I can't find levels after we keep breaking all-time highs, I like to use Fibonacci retracements. And guys, look how respectful it is on the pre-market. It keeps respecting this 23.6% fib level to the T. It's perfect, to be honest. So SPY struggling to get above this level. We'll see if it can. I'm bullish if it does get above, but honestly, it's looking like it keeps on holding it. So it's looking like we might see some more downside action, to be honest. We won't know until open. So far, all my setups today are bearish setups because I am looking for shorts today. So it does look good. It looks like it's in my favor today. We're gonna try to catch NVIDIA today. If not, maybe we'll catch some SPY, but I like NVIDIA a lot more. The chart setup for today, I'm running 6 screens on one single screen. Plus I have 4 stocks or 4 charts, which is just SPY on different time frames. Then I got NVIDIA on the lower chart on the 3 minutes, which is probably my favorite for quick in and out scalps with the level 2 and time and sales to see where the momentum is going. So far, NVIDIA is trying to get above that little zone, but we're gonna see if it rejects here within the next next 15 minutes because right now, guys, it's 15 minutes till market opens. Market open, and NVDA is above that zone where I plan on taking puts, so probably don't plan on touching that one. See what else we can get, maybe on SPY. Apple drop below that zone. We'll see what else we can catch today. So to the Discord that I am thinking about taking this SPY retest on pre-market high. Currently looking pretty bullish as far as the market. SPY waiting for a retest at this pre-market high level. As you guys can see on the higher time frame, I'm going to show you guys here. We finally broke above pre-market high. Got to be careful, make sure that it's not just retesting this general area for a sweep back down. So we'll see what's going on, guys. Took a stab at calls here on the retest. Pretty dangerous because market's pulling back here hard. We'll see what it does. Oh, I cut that bad boy, but damn, that shit was a super bad L, guys. Down $80 on the day already off the first trade. Super bad entry on my end. Market started pulling back super hard. Just took an L, and I even alerted one Discord, the premium Discord, letting them know that I'm going to enter on a retest for some SPY calls. And unfortunately, guys, it did not go my favor. I entered the 580s for about 130 a piece, and I sold them at 90 a piece. $80 L. Looking at NVIDIA for a potential retest here, maybe to recover, but I got to be cautious. I don't want to take a bigger L. Usually when I take a big L like this, I don't trade for the whole day. Looking pretty solid. I like a long way to the upside. Couple stocks are also trying to reverse here. One last trade on NVIDIA. Added the boxes so you guys can see visually. It's almost a freaking price target. I mean, stop loss already. Currently down basically $100 already. 6% on this trade. Needed to reject, need market to reject as well. We'll see how it goes. So this is where I took my first trade. Pretty big stop loss, and there was actually a stop loss there at 579.88, pushing for the most recent high, but got stopped out. $80 loss. Currently in these NVIDIAs not going so hot either. It's gonna be my last trade, to be honest. If it hits, if it hits a stop loss, then I'm out. Calling it a day. Probably gonna be down like $100, a little bit over. Currently at 102 or 104 right now. Almost a stop loss, so we'll see how it goes. Just hit sell, it broke my stop loss. Down 116 on the day, guys. Come on, man. I took two freaking L's, $36 and an $88 loss. So I'm down 116 on the day. Gonna call it good there. As you guys can see, these are both my trades right here. I take calls here, try to take shorts here. Out. We took two L's back to back, one on SPY, one on NVIDIA. We're gonna call it a day here, get on about our day. Currently is 8:20 a.m. in the morning. At 10 a.m. we gotta go help our mom out. For now, I'm just gonna post some content, work on editing this vlog since I have a long day, and I'm gonna try to get it out today. So I'm gonna work on the vlog for now for the next couple of 30 minutes. And unfortunately, today was one of those days, guys. Try to take some SPY calls here. Horrible entry, didn't even get a hammer or any type of bounce or confirmation, just entered for a retest, hoping it would long wick. NVIDIA was an actual setup that I tried to take, but I just ended up breaking above. So I had to take the L. And there's a 15-minute time frame on. But so far, I guess the market's not really doing too much. So I won't take another trade. Don't want to get wrecked again. We're gonna call it good there. Move on about our day. Just one of those days. I have not had a big L like this in a minute. It's been a while since I took a $100 loss. Usually it's only about $30, $20, $50 at the most. $100 plus loss is pretty big for me. Don't like taking those kind of L's. But guys, it is just what it is. It's part of the game. You have to learn. Try to do what I usually do. Take the same type of setups. But it just wasn't working in my favor. So I'm gonna move on, not beat myself up over it. Still talk to my community, still talk to everybody, ask how everybody's doing, even though I literally took two L's. Stay strong, come back into the market again tomorrow with some strong technical analysis, good entries. Do everything I just did again, except try to be more mindful, I guess, set smaller stop losses, because the first trade I took was a pretty big stop loss. But either way, move on about a day, keep on going. Let's keep on hustling, guys. My lunch for today, 6 ounces of chicken, 10 ounces of mashed potatoes, which is probably a lot, but I don't even care. That's all I'm gonna eat for today until I get home from dinner. A 0 sugar, no cal root beer. Come on, it's my favorite. It's currently that time to start heading out. But before I head out, I'm gonna lift some weights. Time is 9:01, so let's get to it. Let's go. Back in the Whipperton. So guys, we're gonna go out to my mom's shop. I'm gonna show you guys my mom's mechanic shop down in here in Puyallup. She has two shops, one in Fife, one in Puyallup, but we're gonna go to the Puyallup one. I'll show you guys what that looks like. And we're just gonna help her out scan. And like I said, the content creation day. So let's get to it. I fucked the whole game up inside the service. And we are here. Easy Street Auto. So my mom forgot the most important part of the job, which is the scanner. So I'm gonna drive all the way back to where I pretty much came from to pick up her scanner from her house. I don't mind. A lot of driving around, but it's gonna be fun. I enjoy driving. So now we're gonna drive all the way back to go pick up a scanner. It's me who enjoys driving. I really love driving, guys. It's so much fun. This is what I'm looking for. The scanner. Need this bad hoe? What the heck is this? That's interesting. I've never seen that before. Secured, got the printer or the scanner and the laptop. A beautiful home. Nice little cedar out there. Beautiful home out here. A beautiful G-Wagon too. Gonna be me one day. It's currently 10:56. Basically a whole hour, but I'm gonna go back over there, 30-minute drive back. And then I'm gonna scan some documents for her. And then it's, like I said, it's freaking content day. So she's gonna have somebody come by, do some videos for her and edit them up and then post them for her. But that's what's going on today. So I gotta be a part of it. I'm gonna wear a shirt just like her and we're gonna start making some content as well. Trade on the road and now I'm only down $82 on the day. I took one small trade on SPY. It was literally only, I'll show you right now. Time is currently 11:42. I ain't even gonna lie, guys. I'm tired, man. I am tired, but here we go. We're gonna go help scan some documents for my mom, do that whole content creation stuff, and then get on about our business.
Okay, so let me find, I only have the quote for the valve cover. Let me grab the part.
Content people right here, and I did my first shoot with them, but unfortunately I suck at this shit because I talk too fast, guys. They want me to say specific stuff, talk slow, say in a certain way with a smile. I can't do that. So this is their camera right here. Big ass camera, professional. But unfortunately, guys, I just can't do that. I'm not a slow talker. I talk and I gotta say it how I say it. They're trying to feed me lines, which is totally fine. I'm just not good at that stuff, man. I gotta say it how I gotta say it.
For the nail or
For the nail, that
Busy. Ooh, Subway.
It's not going to be easy. Coca-Cola y Red Bull en la mañana. Por eso te digo una dieta muy especial. Everybody's going to understand, you know? There you go.
And then I want you to address Julian and be like, hey, Julian, what's going on with your car? And then I'll film it again, and she's going to say it all fully. Out there, okay. When you're coming in, I want you looking directly at the camera when you say that.
My car's making noise.
Gotcha.
Hey, my car's making weird noises like, like, or whatever you want to say, okay?
Okay. My car is making strange noises. Like clucka clucka boom boom.
No. Great attempt.
I did.
You're gonna come directly.
Time is 5:36. We're about to head on home. We did a lot of content creation for her. I hope you guys liked the videos. Pretty much they also do the same thing for her, market her business and show her how it's all done, have her talking and all these other points. And they try to get me on camera, but I suck at doing on this whole camera stuff. As you guys can already tell, I do a lot of cuts myself. I do one takes, but it's just the fact that I talk a lot in one single shot. They need me to talk slow. I can't do that. So anyways, guys, we're gonna head home, edit up this vlog. My girlfriend does want to go get some boba since she gets her teeth pulled tomorrow, so she wants to enjoy some type of drinks. And yeah, guys, it's time to go home. So let's get home, man. Just got home. Currently 6:30 a.m. or p.m. About to eat, work on that vlog. But first, we're also gonna go to boba, get us some good drink. Oh my gosh, boba fuck. So I hope you guys really like that vlog. I bring you guys along to see what it's like to be at my mom's shop as well. And I'm gonna chop this video up, add it into the vlog. I'm actually currently editing it right now. It's currently 14 minutes long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I enjoyed doing it as well. I'm gonna take you guys along every single day and do a daily vlog. So I hope you guys are enjoying this content. Let me know you guys watched it all the way through. Comment something down that lets me know you guys watched it all the way through, guys. Let me know what's going on. We have enough time to chart up. It's currently 8:06 p.m. So we're gonna do it all again tomorrow. Wake up early for the gym, make sure we eat right, and let me show you guys my nutrition facts for today because I'm gonna end it. That's the last thing I'm gonna eat today, which was the boba. So let's show you guys what that is. Still have 613 calories remaining that I could eat, but I'm not going to. 144 grams of protein. Guys, you guys need to get on this app. It's like $20 a month, but it's so worth it. It helps you to keep up track with your nutrition and your breakfast and everything that you ever ate. And if you're trying to lose weight like me, guys, I started at 180 doing this, lost 8 pounds. Now I'm at 172 every single time I wake up. But after I eat, I'm a little bit over, about like 175, 176 sometimes. Also water weight. But guys, this helps you lose weight, to be honest. Counting your calories and making sure you're not overeating is vital and important to losing weight. It's been helping me. And I'm also lifting with heavy weights too, so that every time I eat something, all the nutrition goes straight to my muscles trying to recover, which is also important because I used to think that all you had to do was cardio to lose weight, but actually that's not true. Heavy lifting and a little bit of cardio honestly helps a lot more burning fat. And it is true because I used to just do only cardio for 30 minutes every single day and I wasn't going nowhere. But also my nutrition wasn't up to par. But now I'm constantly checking my calories, making sure I eat only specific amounts, staying in a deficit, but also lifting heavy weights so that every single time I eat something, it goes straight to my muscles, trying to regain. And overall, I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. Tomorrow we're gonna do the same thing, except we actually have 2 cars to clean tomorrow. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do on the side as well, because I also clean cars and I have a side business for that as well, get paid as a contractor. So let's go on about our day tomorrow. Let's continue it on, and I hope you guys had a good day. Today we took a loss. Now we're only down $82 instead of $116. Way better than being in a 3-digit loss. I hope you guys had a good day though. I hope you guys killed it. Guys, do not forget to join the freaking Discord. I have a free server on my website. Click the link in my bio and join free server. We can talk trading. We can go one-on-one on voice chat. And this Friday, I'm going to do live trading on this Friday's chat. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Catch you guys on the next one.